Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. As you might see, it's another food review. As you might see here, it's some chips. This one is ranch and sour cream by Estrella. Um, I don't remember having these, so this one is kind of new to me. So let's see what to expect. As you might see here, you can put it on the table. The sour cream comes first and the ranch comes second. It's something that I won't eat every day, but maybe every once in a while. But then again, I do have my favorites. So so what I think about it, it's okay. It's nothing really special. So if you haven't tried it, you can comment below. If you have it in your area, you can comment below as well. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.